Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a fun little project over here at Country Custom Fabricating. I am doing a custom hand railing job for a customer, and on this one there is a handbar that goes up a set of stairs, and it has to have a bit of a kick out to go all the way up to the top of the stairs to meet the next flight of stairs. And so it's a bit of a tricky angle and some fun bends in here. So right now I'm just laying everything out so I know where everything is going to sit, and then I will get to building this funky little hand railing. Okay, so here's where these two railing pieces need to be. So the one sitting at the bottom and the one sitting at the top. And so now I have to make something that is going to join the two in a bit of an angle, and I want it to have a nice funky bend to it. So I'm going to use this 1/8 by 1 inch flat bar, and I'm going to bend it to get the curve that I'm looking for in order to get from one spot to another. Okay, so this looks about right. Just a few minor tweaks that I'm going to do in order to get it so it lines up where I want it to be. And then I'm actually going to use this 1 inch flat bar to be the sides of the railing piece. I really love that I'm getting to use all my fancy little tools that I got from Fine Tools. That little jigsaw is absolutely incredible for these little types of jobs, as well as the circular saw. I don't think I even reach for my zip cuts very often at all anymore. So now I'll get these two pieces to match, just a little bit of bending so that I have the top and the bottom pieces. I'm just going to mark where I need to bend in order to make sure that they both match. Okay, now that I have these two pieces here, I'm just going to lay them out, and I will trim them to size, cut the other piece of railing so that I can have my curve on that other piece of railing, and then it's just a matter of filling it all in with material. And so for this, what I think I'll do is take a piece of 2x1, which is the regular railing, and I'm just going to actually cut a 1/4 inch off of it so that it fits height-wise and in the middle of these two pieces of flat bar. And then once I do all of my welding, I will be able to just grind it up all nice and make it look like it never happened. So now, you guys, I'm just going to put this on a bit of a hyperlapse so you can watch the process of how I'm going to do this, and then we can check out the finished product. And you guys, I'm going to tack this in here, but I promise you I'm using my safest safety squint that I have around. Just putting a couple of these tacks on here. Yes, I know it's going to burn my skin, my face, my hands, but that is just something that I choose for myself. So you guys, if you're doing this, make sure you use safety first if that's something you're wanting to do. All right, this is it. This is the finished product, just cleaning it up with the flapper disc and then my orbital. And here we have it, my angled hand railing. This is just the first step of this railing, so stay tuned to the rest of what it is going to look like. But thanks again, everybody, for stopping in, saying hi, and taking a look at what I do around here in Country Custom Fabricating. Hope everybody has a fantastic day.